Hi friends, we are going to make a cheesecloth ghost lamp.
Wow, that's another interesting Halloween activity. So shall we start?
Yeah.
What do you have in front of you?
We have wet glue.
So that's glue diluted in water. So you mix glue with water. Yes, we're using a salt container.
Yeah.
You can also use empty jars or bottles. And then we have
The cheese fabric
the
to make cheese.
So we're using cheesecloth, or you can also use a gauze. And you also have the
Ghost face.
yes, we're gonna use that for the face of the
And
the
eyes and mouth.
Yep. And what else do you have? We have a cling wrap and a foil.
Clean wrap and foil.
Okay, so first we're gonna have to make the head of the ghost. What we will use is a
Foil.
tin foil. So you'll just roll that up and create a ball. Now that you've made a ball using the foil, that's gonna be the head of your ghost. So you'll put that on top, and then we are going to put the cling wrap on top of the salt shaker
Also,
and the head,
yeah.
so that the glue won't stick on it. So it's gonna look like that.
Yeah.
Okay, now what are we going to do next?
We put fabric.
So you'll get the glue mixture.
Yeah. Glue mixture.
You're gonna have to soak the cloth. So you can use a cheesecloth or a gauze for this one. So make sure you soak that really well, and then just gently squeeze it. Squeeze some more. Now that you've squeezed it, you'll just have to put it on top of the just put it on top of the salt butter. Open it up.
Yeah.
Open it up. So we'll try to turn this and form this into a ghost.
I look like a ghost.
You want to get another cheesecloth? So the whole process is just like that. You soak the cheesecloth or the gauze, and then put them on top of your salt bottle. Help you, okay?
Yeah, to cover it.
Shape it into a floating ghost.
Ooh. And then the ghost.
Okay. Now that you've covered your
Ghost.
salt bottle, we'll just leave that overnight, let it dry, see how it will turn out. Okay? Ready? Let's go to sleep.
Good morning, Fred. How's your sleep? Good? Okay.
Okay, Sari, look what you have. Now that the glue has dried up, you're gonna have this, and this will be your lamp. But to make your ghost more interesting and scary, we're gonna add the face. Okay, putting glue, you stick it on the lamp. Just a little bit of glue. There you go. Eyes. That's nice. That's it. And put the other eye here on this side. Glue. There you go. And then last would be the ghost. Here you go. Like this. And then once that's dry, you can test your lamp. To finish off your lamp, you'll just need to put a tea light, or you can use fairy lights, and you put it underneath. Look at that, Sari. You got a ghost. Ooh, did you like that?
Yeah.
I love it. Oh, that's gonna be really cool for the Halloween as a decoration. Yeah. Nice.
It's going to function.
Thank you for sharing, Sari.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.